Greetings, friends. Gemini Brett here with part 2 of my Stellarium astronomy software for astrologers instructional video series. In the first video, I introduced the project and we played a bit with the web-based version of Stellarium astronomy software. In this video, we are going to download the computer-based version, which is much more powerful, absolutely amazing, and free for Mac and PC. And you can find the Stellarium download at stellarium.org. You can also find the web-based version here. And you can find downloads for Windows 64-bit and 32-bit, for Linux, and for Mac. I'm on a MacBook Pro, and you'll see there's two different versions for Mac OS. One is this 8664 and the other is ARM64. So before I started recording here, I had to figure out what those are, and I learned that the 8664 is for Macs with an Intel processor, and the ARM64 for the new Macs that are using Apple's own silicone. So if you don't know what you're running, if you're on a Mac, you can go up here to the Apple icon in the upper left and click about this Mac, and you'll see here that I'm running an Intel Core processor. So I'm going to go for the Intel version, which is this 8664. I'm just going to click on that, and the download will begin. Now that depends a bit on what web browser you're using. This is Google Chrome, which just downloads as soon as you click a download button. I'm seeing that the download itself has a couple minutes left, so I'm going to pause this recording and we'll be back on the other side. Okay, my download is complete, and it downloaded a zip, and then my computer just instantly unzipped it, and now here in my downloads I find this Stellarium. So I'm going to drag that into my applications here on the Mac OS, and then go to my applications and double click on Stellarium. The first time I open it, I'm guessing I will be warned that this was a software downloaded from the internet, and do I really want to open it? And the answer is yes. I've run Stellarium for years and years and years, never had a problem. It's an open source software that I very much trust. And this is version 22.1. So for 2022. So this is what it looks like when it comes on. Looks like it's currently set for Paris. So I'm going to change that. But I'm going to do that in the third video of this series. The intent of this one was just to show you how to go to stellarium.org, find the appropriate download for whichever computer you're running and processor, and get Stellarium onto your computer. And in part 3, we will go into what does Stellarium look like when you first download it, and I will introduce the many tools over the course of many videos in this series. So see you next time.